This is a set of steam engine drivers, by Noch in O gauge. The set comes fully hand-painted, and ready to plant. In the box, you will find 2 engine drivers ready for use. The drivers are both wearing crisp uniforms and caps. The figures are posed as though at the controls of a locomotive, with one using his right hand, and the other using his left. The figures can be used together to portray a locomotive crew on the same footplate, or placed separately on individual locomotives. The steam engine loco drivers set by Noch. These O gauge figures have an average height of 40 mm from head to foot.